Check out these tips for getting more out of messages on your iPhone. You can really wow your friends by lifting the subject of a photo and sharing it in messages using the echo screen effect. In Photos, touch and briefly hold the subject of a photo to lift it, and let go when the outline starts to appear around it. Then, tap Copy, switch to Messages, and paste it. Next, touch and hold the Send button. Tap Screen at the top, and tap the Send button to use the echo effect, which is the default option, or you can swipe left for more screen effects. Beautiful! If you'd like to change something you wrote in an iMessage, you can edit it after you've sent it. Just touch and hold the message until the menu appears, and then tap Edit. Now, make the changes you want, or even rewrite the entire message. You can cancel editing and return to your conversation at any time by tapping the Close button to the left of the message. When you're done making changes, tap the check mark to the right of the message. You have 15 minutes from the time you send the original message to make changes, and you can edit it up to 5 times. Need to unsend a message? You can make it disappear within 2 minutes of sending it. Just touch and hold a message until the menu appears, and tap Undo Send. And you're done. Message unsent. If you find yourself typing out the same phrase a lot, create a text replacement to help get the message across faster. In Settings, tap General. Then, tap Keyboard and tap Text Replacement. Tap the Add button in the upper right corner of your screen and enter a phrase into the phrase field. Then, enter the text replacement you'd like to use into the shortcut field and tap Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, when you type the text replacement and then tap the spacebar, the phrase will automatically be added to your message. Now you know a few tips to help you get your message across. For more helpful iPhone tips, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.